Good morning, everyone present here. Respected Principal Ma'am, Miss Nidhi Nijavan, our Vice Principal Ma'am, Miss Alka Sharma, and my dear children. It's really a beautiful Monday morning, and we all are delighted to have them amongst us for an adventurous trip to the zoo land. I hope you all are excited to visit the zoo, isn't? You all are, I know. Before we begin, I would
Yay.
request our principal ma'am to encourage us with her kind words. Please, ma'am.
My dear Mount Littrans, it is indeed a beautiful sight to witness your smiling faces as you get ready for the exciting journey. We, the team of Mount Literacy School, Ghaziabad, are thrilled as for days we planned this virtual tour for all of you. Wishing you all the best for the learning enhancement as we love to take you on board to the whole new world of adventure and thrills. Stay safe, stay connected.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words.
Hey now, are you all ready? I'm so excited. It's going to be a fun to go to the zoo land, a virtual tour to the zoo. Children, but before we leave, we need to check our checklist that we have shared with you, right? We had shared yesterday. So let's see. Let me take out my checklist. The things to carry. Alright, clothes and hats.
Checked.
Water bottle.
Checked.
Tickets and passport.
Checked.
Toiletries and medicines.
Checked.
Sanitizers and masks.
Checked.
Camera.
Checked.
Snacks and juices.
Checked.
Okay, so we have everything with us. Alright, so let's go to the bus. So before boarding the bus, let me do the head count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, everyone is present here. Everyone looks so excited. Right. So before we board the bus, Sheetal ma'am will be telling you about the safety measures that you need to take care. Okay,
Thank you,
in the
ma'am.
bus.
Thank you so much. So, children, before moving ahead, I would like you to follow these instructions. So, listen carefully all these instructions which I'm going to tell you. First, take your seat and sit properly. Okay. Second, you have to place your bags under your seats or you can put them on your lap. And then you will not keep your head and hands outside the bus. You need to keep them inside the bus. Okay. And last but not the least, do not litter inside the bus or outside the bus. Okay. So let's go.
Yay!
Hurrah!
We are going to have fun. Hooray!
Yay!
We're going on a trip. We're chicken ready to explore. First things first, I'ma say all the ones that I made. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been.
Oh, we are going to reach the airport also now. So soon.
Yes.
So excited. Children, the airport is just, we are just stopping by the airport now. We've reached the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Really. So beautiful.
Children, keep your passports and visa handy for the check-in. Yes, let's check in first. Okay, done. Let's go to the departure area now. Heading to the departure area, but students, please be in a queue.
Yes.
Don't go here and there.
Wow, we all are enjoying, ma'am. Really, it's amazing.
Yes, stay together in a queue, please.
Wow, what a statue it is. Awesome.
Let's board our Zooland plane. Oh wow, it is going to be fun traveling on plane, isn't it?
Yes, mom.
So yes, so children, do you know we are heading to California? The zoo
Wow.
is in California.
Wow.
All right. So please take your seats, all of you. Tighten your belts, and the distance is going to be around 17 hours and 20 minutes.
It's too much.
Yes, it's a long journey. But don't think we are going to let you get bored. We have everything planned out for you.
Wow.
Okay, we have arranged a favorite cartoon show of yours. Do you all want to watch it?
Yes.
Yes. Then let's watch it.
Wow. Oh, it's my favorite Tom and Jerry. I like it.
Yes. He's so funny.
Really?
Oh, I'm also feeling sleepy.
Me too.
But Jerry is so cute, isn't it?
Yes.
Ooh. Oh, he has become a plane.
Oh, really?
And now he's going to land or crash. Land or crash. Oh, he has crashed. Oh my god.
Bumped.
What a fall. Hope you all enjoyed the show, children. This is my favorite. And you all also love it, I guess.
Yes.
So, but children, it's going to be a long journey. So, let's take some rest and sleep for some time. Switch off your lights, children. Come on, let's take some sleep. Come on, put off your lights, every one of you.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Hey, sunshine, it's morning time. Wow, let's make this day an awesome day.
Wow.
We are going to reach our destination now. Oops, I just can't stop my excitement.
Beautiful scene from the plane, and now it's landing.
Oh, we have reached the San Francisco International Airport. So, children, let's board the bus and go to the hotel which has already been booked for us by the school. Okay, we are going to have fun. So, after having our breakfast, we will be going to the zoo. And, children, do you all know who is going to be our guide? Our guide will be Dora the Explorer.
Wow.
Yes, she is our favorite one. Let me tell you a brief about Dora. She has been serving us as a travel guide for about 8 years now. She loves to explore new things. She's Yes, hi Dora.
Hello, beautiful children. My name is Dora, and meet my friend Boots. Boots, say hi to everyone.
Hi!
Oh, I hope you all had a
Get to the
smooth
sing-along
and pleasant
party and use
journey.
your microphone
I'm
to
very
invite all your
excited to
friends.
take you to the
Let's
beautiful
go.
world of animals. Let's go! Wow!
Come on now, we're on our way to Benny's Farm for the sing-along today. As we walk on down the road.
Here about California, a constituent state of United States of America. It's the most populous US state and also known as the Golden State. So student, do you know the capital of California? It's Sacramento. Now children, we are heading to the zoo. Before we reach there, let me brief about the safety rules which needs to be followed. Okay? First, do not tease the animal and treat them with respect. Second, do not feed the animals too. And maintain a safe distance. Do not litter the place and be kind and nice to everyone you meet. Now we have reached our destination, and you know where is the destination? It's San Diego Zoo. The zoo
Yoo-hoo!
Park. It is in San Diego, California, housing more than 3,500 animals and 800 species. Here is our zoo. Just have a look. The wonderful look of the zoo. Wow, varieties of animals are there. You can enjoy. See these beautiful creatures of God. These are the creations, beautiful creations of God. Wow. So here we have first. Now we are going to see some exciting birds. First is dark-eyed junco bird. These birds are very small in size and grayish in color. You can see. So here we have dark-eyed junco bird. Like that? Very sweet, very small, and very beautiful it is. Next we have Allen hummingbird. So students, these are also very small birds and they make their nest in forest. And children, you know what they eat? They eat spiders, insects and nectar. They are also very friendly birds. So cute. Oh, this is our quail bird. So children, quail, remember this thing. Quail is the national bird of California. And it is also known as valley quail. And it became the official state bird in 1931. So remember this question answer. Right? Now we have California scrub jay. This is blue and gray in color. They eat insects, fruits, nuts and berries. So cute and so beautiful in color. You can see what a combination of blue and white is here we can see out there. Oh, this is our Cooper's hawk. I do not like this bird at
Ooh.
all. These are so scary and not at all friendly too. So children, you know what they eat? They eat small birds and bats and reptiles too. Right? Now, so children, it is very excited to see different birds. Now we can see some more land animals. Here we have grizzly bear. It is the national animal of California. They are black, brown and gray in color and are very powerful too. You can see their roar. Wow. These are grizzly bear. Oh, now we have sweet panda. This panda is very friendly creature and they love to eat bamboo. Now here you can see this panda is having his bamboo. They spend a lot of their time in eating. Pandas are good at climbing. Oh, now They can travel as fast as horses. And they can live without water for 7 months. We all know this. And they are also known as sheep of the desert. Right? Now we have the king of the forest. We can see their roar. I'm so scared. So they are the only cats that live in groups. And the group can be up to of 30 lions. We can hear the roar up to 8 kilometers. You know, children, lions are afraid of large mammals like giraffe, elephants, and hippos. Oh, now we have koala. This koala, the San Diego Zoo has the largest koala colony. Koalas like to eat eucalyptus leaves all day long. And these leaves are toxic, which most other animals cannot eat. Only koala has this quality to eat them. So he's enjoying. As you can see, it is enjoying having its leaves. Ooh, now we have hippos. These are hippopotamus and also known as hippos. With their eyes, ears and nostrils on the top of the head, hippos can hear, see and breathe while most of their body is underwater. They can live for 40 to 50 years and they enjoy being under the water. You can see here that these are enjoying. Now we have these Columbus monkeys. They are white and black in color and are known as old world monkeys. They live in forests and like to eat leaves and fruits. These monkeys do not have thumbs. See, the baby monkey is also there in white color. Oh, I want to touch this baby. It's really very cute. Wow, so amazing these animals are.
Yes, it was so amazing to know about all these facts, wasn't it? Knowing about animal facts, it was so much of fun. But I'm famished, children, and I am feeling very hungry. So all of you sit down properly. Yes, children, in a queue. Very good. So we are going to have our food now. Do you know about the California famous food? Cheeseburgers. Yummy sandwiches and salads. Oh wow, they are so colorful. And cookies and cupcakes. There are so many things. We can order anything and have our food. So let's fill your tummies, children. We want to go back to the hotel and take some rest because we have to travel to the next day too. Yes, so take some rest. There is day 2 where we'll be going to Safari Park in day 2.
Good morning, little chicks. Good morning. I hope you all had a good sleep as you all are looking so fresh and excited. So let's board the bus. We have reached Safari Park. Wow, here is our bus. Wow, it is one of the largest tourist attraction in San Diego country. The park, visited by 2 million people annually, houses over 2,600 animals representing more than 300 species as well as 3,500 plant species. The park has the world's largest veterinary hospital. So come on children, let's set and go. Here is a look of Safari Park. Wow. You can enjoy the view of all these lovely creatures. Sweet birds out there.
Oh, such beautiful butterflies. Aren't they cute?
Wow, really amazing. Wow, what this doing? Oh, lovely parrot out there. And what a
For
view.
this cheetah.
Woo! My God, see the speed. Jungle rope safari.
Oh, just be careful.
Amazing,
I'm so
amazing.
scared.
Wow.
Hold it tight, hold it tight.
You know, ma'am, we have done these activities, and we have been doing these activities in our school, Mount Literacy School. During rock
Oh, wow.
during rock sport, we do
Wow.
these activities in our school, and
Must have been so much of fun.
really we enjoyed a lot, and hopefully we will enjoy soon. Once the school will reopen, we all will enjoy
Yes.
one more
This
time.
caravan trip.
Wow. People are feeding the animals. You can see hippos out there, and they are giving apples to them. Wow. Really, they are enjoying.
Where are these kids running?
Oh, what they are doing, where they are going. Oh, they are going to show. Wow.
Let's watch this show.
It's Sea Lion Show.
What are you guys doing out here?
Watch it.
Looking for George Clooney. He didn't show up. What are we gonna do? Oh no, this is horrible. We need a guest host. Wait a minute, I know. Maybe Biff can do it. Have you seen it? No, I haven't seen it. Hey, Clyde, have you? Okay. Biff! Biff!
No, you hang up first. No, I hung up first last time. You hang up
Hey,
first.
Biff! You guys ready? All right, then sit back. Don't touch that dial because we will be right back.
Wow, what a
Sea lion.
Ah, these are called sea lions. So remember this thing.
Well, Detective Klein, this looks like the work of the Barracuda, the most dangerous criminal in town. You and I need to search for evidence and find our suspect. I need you to stick close. Follow my each and every move. Let's go.
Oh, look at that. What is it? Huh?
Very obedient boy.
Oops. Just saved herself.
It is imitating. It is imitating. Wow.
Well, look at that.
Amazing. 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 It was a wonderful show. Let me tell you a few facts about the sea lions. Sea lions are marine mammals, spending a good part of each day in the ocean to find their food. They like to eat lots of fish. Sea lions are not dangerous animals and they don't attack humans. They are very friendly too. So children, as you all know that good things come to an end, so it's time for us also to end the show.
And it's time to say goodbye to Dora too. Dora, thank you so much for making our day so memorable. You have been such a good guide. Goodbye, Dora.
Thank you, children. It was fun to be with you. You all have been so supportive and kind throughout this journey. Hope you like this beautiful and amazing world of animals. Hope to see you soon. Have a fantastic journey ahead. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Bye, Dora. So children, activity time. It is going to be a quiz time. I will be sharing a link with you all and you have to play a game. Alright, once we reach India, let's reach India first quickly and then I'll share a link on the chat. You have to play that quiz. So those who will, who will be ranked first on the leaderboard will win an e-certificate from school, from Mount Literacy School.
That's really
Right?
amazing. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, so let's just quickly go to India first. And We need to tell so many stories about this zoo to our parents, right? They are also waiting for us to come back, right? So let's go. Let's take the flight to India. Our parents must be waiting in the school premises to pick us up.
We are back to our country. We are back to our country, India.
Go to, we are at Indira Gandhi International Airport soon. Yes, we are in the bus now, going back to school. And here are your parents. Children, just hope you all liked the wonderful trip. I enjoyed it a lot.
I too.
Yes. So I hope all of you enjoyed. So let me share the quiz now. It's quiz time. Five minutes will be given to you to play this quiz. You have to take the aeroplane to the right answer. Alright, and for the leaderboard, you have to write down your name, class, and section. Okay, children? I am just going to share the link. Teachers can also play, but they will not get any prize. Any certificates will not be given to teachers. It's their choice whether they want to play or not.
It's really very sad, ma'am, but yes, we will play.
So here you go, children. The link is there in your chats. Just check it out and have fun. I am also going to play. I'm putting it on the share screen.
Okay, we can start now. So students, you have 5 minutes for 5 questions.
You have to ride the aeroplane like this and take to the correct cloud. The clouds are having the answers.
Wow. It's again a second trip, ma'am. It's like a second trip.
Yes. Just ride your aeroplane carefully, children. Here you have to ride it by yourself. You are the pilot. Oops, oops, oops. My plane is going to crash, it seems.
Really, we are feeling like we are in a plane. Wow.
Only 5 minutes, children. You have only 5 minutes to complete this quiz. Remember to enter your class name and section for the leaderboard. I will be sharing the leaderboard on the screen soon.
Wow, it's looking amazing, ma'am. Amazing. Oh, crash.
Just saved myself.
You have not got the right answer, ma'am. Where is your
Just about to reach. Oh, my plane. Oh, I was just about to reach. So children, 1 minute and 24 seconds left. Okay, 1 minute now. Just don't crash your planes and be careful while riding. Oh! See? It has reached a wrong answer. I don't know where. It just banged into the wrong answer. Shital ma'am, are you also playing?
Yes,
You will
I
not
am.
get any certificate, but
That I know, but I'm enjoying with my children. I'm enjoying with my students.
yes. Only 18 seconds left, children.
Okay, let me
Make it fast. Yes, the time is up now. So let me see on the leaderboard whom we have. Yes, the results are coming. 18 students participated in the
Okay.
quiz. And let me see who is the winner. Here are the results, children. Harveen Kaur from 4th A. Congratulations, Harveen.
Congratulations, beta.
Kartike again from 4th A, I guess.
Yes.
And
Congratulations, Kartike.
Saksham Mavi is in which section?
Saksham
Saksham,
is in a 4th B, I guess. Maybe A or B.
4th B.
B or A,
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Congratulations, you all three. Congratulations.
Congratulations, children, and congratulations to every one of you. You all enjoyed. Hope you all enjoyed the trip. Let me go back to the main screen and let me see the bright faces of every one of you. Let me unmute you too so that we can have your reactions.
And thank you so much for being the part of this zoo trip. Thank you so much, students. We enjoyed a lot. Hope you too.
Did you all had fun?
Yes.
Wow.
Was fun? Yes. Great. So did you all enjoy?
Yes.
Great. So have
Which country?
it's in which country? It is in USA. Okay. So all of you, goodbye. We had fun. I'm
Take care.
ending this
Bye-bye.
meeting. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye, beta. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.